On your marks. But
So wagwan Jamaica. So hello everyone, I hope that you are all doing well. So kindly guys, if it's for the first time that you are coming across my video, feel free to share, comment, and also don't forget to smash that subscribe button. And for the returning ones, I want to appreciate you for the love and support that you are showing. So I hope that you have watched the entire race till the end. It was a very competitive and very beautiful race. So Jamaican has stood up yet again and showcased the world that in this track and field, you know, they are the beast. In this track and field, you know, they will continue conquering. So you have seen that, you know, Jamaican has that winning spirit. Even you could see from before the race has started, the Jamaican just looked relaxed. They just looked like they were ready. You know, when your opponent just look relaxed, just know that he or she is ready. So Jamaican has really pulled out a good performance, and they have really made Jamaican famous. And not only Jamaican, us, you know here guys in Kenya, Jamaican has a big fan base. They have also made us happy, and I want to congratulate them. You know, that race showcased that Jamaican, you know, some people are saying like Jamaican has luck, but you know, Jamaican has a good history of winning and dominating the track and field. We all know this guy, Usain Bolt. Although people are saying that he retired a bit early, you know, Usain Bolt really did a lot of things. He really broke a lot of record. He really set new record, and he had a good pace. So Jamaican has a good history. Even you could see during that race, the commentator was like mentioning Jamaican most of the time, because you know, Jamaican is a big brand, and you know, when you are big guys, you know, all eyes are on you. On that race, you know, Jamaican is a famous country, and you know, when you have a race and there is Jamaican name on the list, many eyes, all eyes, are there watching, because they want to see, Jamaica, this Jamaican. Many people talk about it, this Jamaican as an history. People want to see for themselves. People want to see how Jamaican carry themselves. People want to see what does Jamaican do to win these races, because Jamaican for sure are the best in this track and field. And that's why I've come across a certain video, and I saw, athletics nowadays, they try to hire coaches from Jamaican, because they have seen that, defeating Jamaican is not easy. Some even go to an extent of traveling all the way from their European nation, all the way from their countries to Jamaica to train with the best, because they have seen defeating Jamaican is not easy. And that's I think Jamaican have really showcased the world that they are the best. They have some upcoming youths. There is this young youth called Brian Level, and he is dominating back there in under 17, and that showcased that Jamaican is in safe hands. Jamaican will continue dominating more and more. We'll be hearing Jamaican name a lot of times, because we feel very happy seeing that Jamaican will be dominating in this track and field, when you have those young youths dominate. And I think Jamaican, many people are like, they want to dig deep to see what Jamaican uses, but you see, Jamaican winning spirit is in it is in their genetics. It's like in their blood, because most of the Jamaicans, they keep watching, they keep learning from the best. When they see like Usain Bolt, how he works, when they see these big names like Sharika Jackson, Tia Clinton, Elaine Thompson, they want to be like them. So they train very good. They have they get some good experiences. So I want to congratulate those athletics, because they have really made Jamaican famous. And not only Jamaican, they have made us, the fan base outside the Caribbean, very, very happy. So guys, you can leave a comment. You can comment something to congratulate them, or even a word of prayer, so that God can protect them, because we want to see Jamaican winning a lot of gold. We want to see Jamaican winning more gold. So guys, if it's for the first time that you are coming across my video, and you like this seeing about Jamaicans, seeing these sprinters, see how Jamaicans carry themselves. Jamaican is a big brand, and many people are following about Jamaica. You can subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification, so that we can continue with this Jamaican chapter. So guys, before I forget, I want to appreciate you for the 1,000 subscribers, and I hope that you really enjoyed the video. So guys, stay safe, one love.